The lighting's awful in here. My background noise is probably horrible because we're in my mid-engine GT4RS. But tonight, guys, we're out and we're just gonna go, honestly, link up with one of my rich homies who's got a Mansory Urus, probably ride out in the cars for a little bit, and just kind of show you a night in the life of a rich 22-year-old in Miami. Because this is really all it is, boys. Just driving, just having a good time, taking advantage of these beautiful cars that we buy and have the opportunity to own at such a young age. So yeah, out here tonight with the date, just trying to have a good night. About to fill up some gas real quick. So you can see I'm at the gas station. And then right after that, probably going to go ride out, meet up with my homie real quick. And yeah, just kind of cruise out in the cars tonight. Have a fun time. Got a bunch of work done today. Been absolutely wired. So yeah, it's good to kind of let go and just go do something fun at night. So I'm not always just like constantly caught up in work, you know, because you gotta have some type of balance in your life too. As much as I preach working nonstop, having this amazing like time where you're just always working, always on top of things, you do have to have that productivity balance where you're also having fun, where you're also hanging out with friends, where you're just kind of like kicking back and not always just like constantly in go mode. Because if you don't have balance in your life, inevitably work consumes you and you become only your work and nothing else. And there's so much more to life than work. As much as I preach making money and getting rich and living an amazing life, there's so many other fun things to do too. So without further ado, I'm going to fill up the gas real quick and we'll get right into it. For those of you guys who don't know anything about the GT4RSs or just like Porsches in general, here's something kind of interesting right here. If you take a look at this, the fuel thing right here is actually in the front of the car. So yeah, I don't know. It's just like a little unique part about the Porsches. And there's a bunch of different things. I'm going to go through a couple of the unique things about my car tonight, such as my one-off hood style here. But yeah, it's just a super, super unique GT4RS. It's honestly probably my favorite car I've ever owned. In front of my McLaren, in front of my R8, everything. So yeah, I'm just blessed every day to have owned such a unique and incredible car. Bro, so you guys can see this. This is a GT4RS. It's my boy's Mansory Urus. Look at this thing. This is nasty. This ain't the normal Urus, bro. This body kit alone, 100K. That's just nasty, bro. It's crazy. Look at these two cars side by side. It's ridiculous. That rich man right there. But yeah, bro. Young kids, supercars, Miami. What a life. With the window sticker too, so no one can say it's a rental. Nobody. Did it just for that. $15,000 wheels, wing, everything. Look at that. Bro, I deadass got the worst social anxiety in the world. And I'm here in McDonald's. We're getting like Happy Meals to record some like car content shit right now.
Day dates in the hood.
Day dates in the hood.
In the hood.
The stuff that we do for content out here, bro. It's crazy. You will not catch me doing this stuff by myself though. I get way too nervous. But we're about to grab the meals and then make some like TikTok videos and then yeah, I'll show you guys the final result on Instagram in a couple days. Our broke asses are trying to do a video here, trying to show that we're eating at McDonald's. Bro, we're not even eating. 6 nuggets. Got us starving out here. But yeah, we're just shooting a little bit of car content here, you know. Gotta keep the brand alive. Even if it means eating 6 nuggets at McDonald's on a Sunday night. Bro, I'm telling you, this thing right here, this Urus, man, if you guys have ever seen a Mansory Urus before, that is the best looking Urus. Looks so much better than any stock Urus. Man, I would never own a stock Urus after seeing some of those. It's literally insane. We're about to drive over to Design District, just get a couple more clips. I don't know. We're just taking it easy tonight, nothing crazy. We're not trying to get in trouble. But yeah, about to ride out real quick. Not get run over by this truck going the wrong way on the street. But yeah, I'll tap it in a sec. Look at those lights. Might be a good backdrop. We'll see. About to go see what's the vibes. And yeah. Man, just look at these things. Could never get sick of these cars. Could literally drive this thing every day for the rest of my life. I would never get sick of it. Post it up straight in front of LV. Just look at that backdrop. That's literally insane. Bro, and it's like the people coming up to like look at the cars and stuff and like ask questions, ask what I do. Bro, that makes it like the entire experience for me. I love that. I love being able to answer people's questions, just kind of like inspire like younger kids who don't really know how they could achieve this for themselves. Like all of the above. Like at the end of the day, that's like the type of stuff that makes it all worth it. And my mission as a whole is to teach other people, to inspire, and just to kind of reap the benefits of what I built. And look at that, man. that embodies that. Got the boys here shooting some content, but yeah, I'm gonna shoot the last few videos. Then I'll hop back home, spit some, just kind of let you guys know some motivation for today, some new kind of stuff I've learned as far as building up my business. We're on track to do another 6-figure month, so life is good. Can't complain about anything, and I'm just blessed to be in the position I'm in right now. So I'm soaking it in every day. Bro, I got back here to my place. I'm cooked. I'm tired. And the only thing I can say right now is, man, if you're sitting here watching this video and you're not inspired, seeing a young kid like myself and my friends who have these crazy cars, who have $250,000 cars, living these crazy dream lives out in Miami, like, I just don't know what to tell you, bro. Like, I know growing up and seeing this stuff from my perspective, this was the craziest thing in the world. And I knew that I was going to have this type of lifestyle one day. So to actually be living this and to be able to kind of fulfill that childhood dream of mine is literally just like unreal. And it's one of those things that I don't think I'll ever get like entirely used to, because I'm out there driving these cars and I have people coming up to me and they're like, yo, like, what do you do? Like, how did you do that at such a young age? And just like marveling at the fact that I've built this lifestyle for myself and that I have the cars and everything. And man, like it just hits me sometimes. I'm like, oh my God, like that's so crazy that I did manage to do this at such a young age. And I think that I really just kind of lose track of like how crazy it is sometimes because it's become so normalized to me. So for you guys who are out there, if you're watching this video, I am just like anyone else. I never, ever had any inherent advantage over anyone else. I never started with money. I never was given money by my parents, even though some people seem to think that that's just the case because I've made it at a young age. This is totally attainable for anyone. If you lock in for a couple years, you just have to put in the work. And I think that if you have the right type of mindset, you have the right type of personality that is like a go-getting personality where you want to do things, where you want to be successful, you're just going to be that type of person that inevitably will succeed and you will find a way to succeed. And I just want to leave it at that for tonight, guys. I'm tired. I'm going to go to bed. I need to be up early working tomorrow, but I hope that seeing this type of stuff inspires some of you guys. I hope some of you reach out to me on Instagram. I'm going to link my Instagram in the description below if you want to shoot me a follow. And I'll have my coaching program there too. If you guys want to build up a social media marketing agency and do something like I do, where I'm at the point where I'm making 6 figures a month, but I'm trying to start people off and help them get to the point where they're making 10 to 15K a month just to start off with. So if you want a coaching program with me, myself, a handheld program for 90 days, I would love to coach some of you guys. Go book a call with me in the caption below. And yeah, just shoot me a subscribe if anything else. But without further ado, you guys have a great night and stay inspired, stay motivated, keep crushing it.